my good friends at GoFo sent me this, a Merry Christmas present. And I'm super excited to show it to you. They're cute, very, very cute bottle dresses. And the purpose of these is if you're gonna give a gift of a bottle, right? You can use any of these, and they are so cute. Check this out. Get it out of here. Right? So I remember, I don't know if this happens yet, but when I was a kid, my parents used to give my teachers, a nice bottle of something. And they would just show up. But if we had this, we would have definitely used this. You see? With all the details, really nice. The belt. This is so cute. And I'm going to show you how it works, right? So let's say you have the bottle right here. You have the bottle of something, right? And then you come in here, right? And you go like this. And you dress it up. And now, instead of just giving a bottle, you gift wrapped it with this. And it looks amazing, right? You can bring it all. I guess I cover the whole thing if you bring it all the way down, right? There you go. So you see, it looks amazing. It's a great stocking stuffer, but really a good gift for the people at work, for the teacher that you want, for any adult that you want to give them a gift and have a really, really nice touch to it, and that it's going to give a smile to whoever sees it. And that's the purpose of this season, is to make everyone smile, to make everyone be happy and merry. So thank you for the guys at GoFo for sending this to me, and of course, Merry Christmas.